if there's one dream God showed me, I wanted to share that dream with PJ. But I seized my bullets. Don't say, hold on. Some things is not things to share with people. Keep it to yourself. You are in the battlefield. Deal with that field first. When the time reach, you can share your testimony. You can share what I show you in my revelation. PJ going to Ide water, crying there or pouring out her anger. She's trying to, let Ogechi see her pain and her feeling. PJ is different from original Ma. As I did now, I can't go and show Ogechi how I feel. I can't do it. Because I want them. And that's why when you come to my platform, you will see all my write-up. I try to let her know that the problem is from her side, not from my side. And now I music that I said, don't put your problem on me. I'm my sister. Point of correction. Alicia is not a good person. She's a good person. No, she's a good person. She is a good person. But there is a dangerous game that she openly to keep her. And that game fall back on her. The game fall back on her.
She better on network or the time again. On network.
Stop today.
Network.
It's in my hands. But
nothing will stop him out. And when my head got stopped on it. She better on network.
That has been waiting to witness. I cannot give her anything.
Oh, network. Use another account.
I can
network on the back.
Whatsoever in my tummy, because young shall grow. The same way she dey play game is the same way me I dey play my game. They call it game. So we are here to play it. And I'm not backing off. For point of question, even as I came, I was trying to upset her. Even if they want to understand, if they want to know, bring me in there, she say, no, I'm not going to bring you. But a day will call, she will still come back here and say, Mama, I am sorry.
And Pilot, I did not watch the program, so I'm going to so I didn't further watching the program fully. So I wanted to watch because I heard that PJ joined her. So I wanted to know what the contents of the whole thing.
Okay.
I hear you.
Can you trust me this once, please? I've never asked you for this.
No, I need to hear what happened now. In watching the thing. I'm going to hear me.
No matter what. Eminem posts, okay, through two people with wisdom, these POG members that I've been with, we use them. I was somehow I Cambodia and Biaga video when they flip, Ebe Sharon Boro. And at that time, this Nana Liza na the Western me we na ma join ka agba Sharon wo nsi na maybe nchere Sharon mu akugo all those things because mbe mu ni akuru o si na chukwu gwara ya na ya bakpo ni mulo na ya gwokola gi na ya na agbazi saga na gi bakpo mu na Kingsley mecha ihe ai mere she know only you be person wey come live wey come support me. Nobody even say anything, she no talk. But I'm not free him na Kingsley name. Rosie Mbasi no do more than one of Putazene, eke, just like that story. You see what Sharon no, but that is why I said I will not fight Sharon. But you did not understand because I've already read her. Now, to me, I feel it very belittling coming to respond to someone. Even minor group together, if you ask them Sharon, she wasn't contributing anything. When it comes to education wise, nothing. So why would you want to? Why would you want to? No.
Oh, PJ, I'm trying to respond.
Okay. In case PJ,
I'm not responding to this afternoon.
In case PJ will anetinye ya oku n'ọnụ. So PJ able to know for a video email. Take my word for it.
After me, I was reading all the Cambo, Mechamaga comment, record.
All Mado Batrana, the program, Siana, Nisi, Nayana Mekanara, Nisi, Nayana, because she was explaining, yes, somebody that came, what's in the after the video, somebody entered that live program, was brainwashing her, was telling her all these things. Na okay, na Emeka Naria now to the zone one for 2.something million. Okay, I wish you would just leave PJ.
No, because Emeka Naria. Which place?
I've seen the video he made this morning because me, I know watch the video.
Let her go and watch the video. The video is still there.
After
let her go and watch the video. The video is still there. You want to go? So no, Chipalot, like I said, Onya with the she doesn't make sense.
The thing when the person was saying it, when the person was saying it, Nana Liza was saying that Neiguariana on our WhatsApp group. Now that Gobenaja was even saying it then. Now PJ Nasina, there was a time intelligent caller was saying it. Now let me tell you what they want. Abrona, they are with how they are not with Nana Liza. They just want them to come and say what happened in the group. You understand? Because this is the same person who can put out Kamuna Sharon Biado one, the young Larry, my husband that game. And I told her, no, we're going to Sharon. Because I studied Gomia very well. Agrama Lishana. Oh, yeah, last week, Thursday or Friday, said, Amma is going to drag you. I saw that and I told her. She didn't believe me. Because Abu no get quaking. Ianine that played on there, woke one 18 PJ no. You understand?
No, I need to hear what she said. About that thing. If this is zero brain can say this zero brain can say that Nambaraya na WhatsApp group.
Also, she said that you told her. You understand? So you responded. Your daughter's picture. Now, maybe it's in a screenshot. Now go see that this is your now you're calling my daughter. See now, this is my daughter's result. I'm not even know when big again drive Rogas school and all that.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
I'm around that. I don't even see the one I can remember. Screenshots we be go see your daughter's school. See no make na one report na I send they see no na give one aga or I send again. I'm not to should record that thing because that time more I made my own thing. You understand? So but in that time when even your sister peace. Wouldn't able put out pictures. Even now, Malisha, so no one key like leopard skin. If you are torn as in now, so more be a copy of the picture. Say, oh, get you scratches, crawl on a
exactly.
So the thing, even maybe now we say TV, all those things and all that. We have this. Oh, you see. I'm part of it. I'm not even about the season and but when I actually said no, I knew one on a palace of truth. Even Shannon didn't even take part in those posting on that wall. I'm that no be on asigi na ECG go that look at your baby no on we did it. So why will I lie? You understand? Oh yeah, I don't study and take. Oh, I saw mono on our group. Oh, what do you na Korea? Because the Korea got put up. They are poor, chacha. Oh, chef will send their €400 for Avon this thing. Can you support for Avon? Yeah. Oh, chef will lay any name it also. You her own. She's right. Georgie Kwama. Oh, yeah. Me, I claim responsibility that I was among those that brought out your daughter, and the reason why I did my own was my video guy now see Nandra me IVF and all that. And that was related to each other. That is why me I came out like okay, why mother gonna bomb like that, you know? Me I don't even understand how the thing now start go to Akasaga name because you know about what pants, red pants, don't give me anything. Oh, I knew I wouldn't booze up. And this is what I said. Also, Nancy, na drive motor, Nancy, na record wagging and all that. No, even that is not the thing. Pictures of you, your mom, your sister, somebody sent it to us. So that time I put on and Jana run program. You sat down. Today can live again with one of those points or sat down or see nah man. So Ochenanga bina to as if who is she? In the morning on Facebook, on television that come and start begging. If you not get go, ignore. That is why when I make peace with you, you set your boundaries. I set my boundaries.
And then
What's the
which Bitcoin story? Which Bitcoin story?
Bitcoin. Also, no when somebody made a Bitcoin 2016. That's you and Madam PJ. No way. Boto she demurred. No matter came in 2016 or 2017. So she talked about the Bitcoin that somebody one lady called Ngozi. That's why I say if you can leave this thing because these people are looking for saga material. But if you want to give them, you're an adult.
Talk about Bitcoin. Maybe how many people lose through Bitcoin? How many people lose through Bitcoin at Bitcoin time?
The thing is
that's one matter. How many people lost Bitcoin when it comes to Bitcoin money?
Okay, you're an adult. I cannot tell you what to do.
Everybody does rubbish. When time for Bitcoin.
I cannot tell you what to do. You're an adult. But to me, one thing I will not do is to reduce myself to come and somebody for years, intelligent caller was calling an imbecile. Onye si ka put picture intelligent caller. Now, future log those things. If onye chọrọ igbu Ogechi, tell me tricks, secure your tennis. Man, I wonder. Muna go on a group. Muna go na warrior. Muna say secure tennis.
Let them finish. I feel like I'm gonna finish here. But I finish here.
Man, I wonder. On information everything is at the talk and for Facebook. Man, I wonder at the Kayama 20th of January 2020 or 4th of January, or put any name in our group. Mom, ever cancel who be oh, you are when you be trying that time. Also, could be trying even women at Sharon. I should say that fire say a video on me. We now start using the video on her. But she was the first person that betrayed us. You understand? Have I group or my group that have I given her anything? No. You understand? Anyway, okay. One name can happen.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Now I mean go there be PJ call or no. Onya the empty now. And we have an email.
The thing that I am going to is just that many times closer than men.
We have no email now.
I don't need money. I am only just to think about myself.
So we have no email. Onya the empty. Oh PJ, I want to hear what PJ. Onya the empty
is showing Ogechi emotional command. And that is why Ogechi will hit her. I've told PJ, then I said, learn how to nurture yourself.
Hey, God.
Who made break to go before? Nobody. Amara was not even involved. Amara was not even aware.
Amara
was not even there. This should be the third time. And this third time, you break out. You bring me. It's because of me. Get away, break it out. Would I dump you? The answer is no, I can't dump you. And then request. Don't bring Gaggy in. I know see your request, Madam PG. I don't dump you. I sit there with you. I don't know the typo. I'm trying to take PJ. You can't learn.
And I know never PJ Biaka happen. That means they've been discussing about this for long time. Now it's not that post that brought this thing. This thing has been going on for years. And what I got? I'm gonna one idiot on our comment. If I get chicken, saga piton da babu shape. Well, you guys are useless. When June, one of the hopeless already. And what I got? Now listen. That's not what you happen. So I couldn't discuss so often. Oh, Peter should watch a program which is a bloody liar. She watched it. Onya walking around, she watched it. What I got? And I mean, see, here look at they put one or two. You said no, now they discussed the PJ, but I'm gonna break here one, break here two, break it. Then she said, "Biaka happen." So you guys have been discussing about me. Boji for years. Unu ga na-eji aka na ama onwe unu ikpe. Onye a we see. Nothing is in her prayer. And when he went up, I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you on a call saga. Something where I go say something like you. You will not get common sense. You will pray, you know they walk. You.
This woman is a devilish person. It's somebody that you will serve and move.
Oh, why would you serve your fellow woman? Why can't I serve you? Why would you reduce yourself to a point that you will serve me? Why can't I serve you? Because you want something from me. It's your ego, right? You will serve me and lose. So you finally believe that he was my mate. So imagine me now reducing myself, changing my words with my mate. You are still a mate. You are made in career, you are made in physical, you are made in spiritual. You are all mates. When anyway, you are empty.
Come to the after you here. Mark and God.
He did what on my video. He did what I was sleeping there.
I don't know how far you here. If you serve this woman, finish. Now for grand, now for what you they get it.
Okay.
Now you don't see the water. You don't water you don't change. I'm the rope here.
It's about the water again. It's not what I got.
Yeah, or see, I didn't see my sister culture. You don't get my water. Good afternoon.
Sorry, but that's what I'm going to report to account. My own guys, mommy, and I want to bring the request button from there now.
Okay, Mom,
give me I want to hear me. I'm just but now. Don't have my break. What happened?
If man can say in my video now, but my job I did. It's just that Madam PJ. This thing I tell and key what I say, okay. And we had in the house.
I killed my sister. Because you don't want that. No, but on a page, I'm not even here. Okay, I dare with you. Because I see reason to love you. Make them fight who they wait. Oh, you don't better than get the water. I want to go to be an enemy. I'm a human actually.
Preach with with caution. Or you have to mentor, or you have to never. I was like, I'm not be able to do
When you want to be correct, the same way you correct the water. None of them emotional again.
No,
People.
you want to get it back in your life, and anybody who that's not how you could I'm thinking
Listen, Mama. Listen. I have taken enough insults.
Okay.
Here, by the water is. Even on Facebook or one yama. Do I know anybody? Do I know anybody? No. Why was I dragged? Because I came out. And I'm going to move happen. Now would I come back and say no problem. I don't need to put him away for simple. The guy is coming. Hold on, let me air. Because him and I air. Him and I saga.
This statement I'm making now, statement I'm making in the morning. Only should I watch my video. I got to know about saga na that statement na that video. But I'm not going to watch it. Hey, make una dey kene you know.
Father, I go straight to the point. I don't know what you
so reflex.
Again. You know yourself. Don't call me. Don't call him and
depression medication depression medication depression medication depression medication Depression medication.
I have a powerful platform here. I'm a come down. Platform. Can you calm down? Okay, what about allow me to play my game. That's not game. We are here in the game.
Make him down.
Oh my God. Calm down. I can't come. I'm going to say again. I'm not able to listen. I'm calm.
And you know watch program. Oh, a liar. They are all liars.
Yes. I'm showing emotion. That's why they're taking advantage. Yes, no problem. Anyway, reason. It is the 7 years of sacrifice. Like that. I may not, anything may not happen on the air, but it's a private thing. It's private thing.
Thank you.
Does not see, okay?
Thank you.
And now I'm like a guy did this. If people will not know where you're coming from. People will not get points. Here the way all you get water today. I see that he continue addressing me, PJ Sheba, but I don't want that. Nobody should tell, because like they said, I am matured and old enough to know when I imagine I'm boring. So you don't tell me where to go, where to stay or go, come. No. I have been stable and one place for 7 fucking good years without.
They got up another side for another 7 years. You have to go there and spend 7 years again.
You know what? It is done. It is a done thing for me.
No, yes, she done deal. I thought because of addition of you when you were a wound. Munu yes, she done deal. If put an unfortunate it or eating again. No, she give you one no fortunate at half of no why. Fortunate if I made a doc.
Yeah.
A doc.
Okay, listen.
I'm watching it. Yeah, but I know look again. I didn't. Mommy, on a cock.
Like this. You got him to
Fortunate he had treated at Georgie.
I told
Okay.
My love, because unfortunately, welcome, my lord.
Guilty conscience and I feel accusation. I'm going to do my show on a weekend. But I'm a cool because I have to get defense again. I should go tired.
Network will get the bad now. Doc, network will get the bad. Doc, hey. Hello, Kiri, na name nego.
Because you can't quote Kubiko.
Mbakuwe. Kibiko kuwe na Kiri akupe mude.
You can't calling her okay, Katie hand on a Facebook. I call it PJ Biko. Can you get advice? Biko, you man advice, and I'm like it very mad. PJ Bakuno, if a amazing debate, Dimundo Maya. Okay, man, do my and Zenketa. Don't
forget to invite me in a wedding go, Biko. Don't forget.
He's like amazing debate, Dimundo Maya. Biko didn't know. You know about moon, so Nama Susan. Okay, anyway, on our carry. He then gets just about no. But no, Biko. According to you, I'm surprised.
Thank you, I care about Mario.
Like, I can give me a simple social media. Yeah.
Okay, no, just do no banana made. You was doing my age. You mean that when nobody works with age, because some nana work with age.
I'm a got PJ Sapphire. That's in no pan or got pass
I'm telling you, how can I be here? Now, what is
when I get with get with
they work with age. They don't work with age. Okay,
got PJ.
I'm not making against insult. Advice can never keep Mazua because Ruben and Key sort him and no one can say men can get use of general advice because here in the public domain. I'm coming, oh, I'm not Okwa on, and I'm just want to give you that is advice. PJ, but I better nke onye nke ọzọ nwe ihe nna mụ onye nke nwe na-akọ ya jee nwaanyị ibe gị na-etite gị aka mgba jee Sharon nye gị breakfast
ụjọ na-atụ ya
ya jekwuru Sharon fitiri gị o ji ọgwụ gị jekwuwe ya atrọsụrụ Sharon ji ọgwụ gị izuzezi ya agbanye gị food dose gị erie jekwurie biko
Sharon stone.
Mgbe ọ na-eje kote Sharon oge dị na-eji si ịmaghị ihe etinyegodi gị ịmaghị ihe ịmaghị na gị ụzọ mba na I'm just saying ọ bụrụ na gị it's a high time people ga-akwụsị na mmadụ dịre gị that's why njiri ofu since mgbawata ga-apụta mgbe si na mmadụ dịre m anything I did today ọ mụ mere ya and that's why mmadụ amapụta
fortunately your network with the bad try another account
ana m apụta nsị na mmadụ dị n'emu na mme mkpari onye a ndị a na-agwado ụdị ya how do you people reason enwe onye gasị na eji na-egi kịta gị kparịwada woman na nwa ya mgbe ịtụkwuburu everyday wepụta Sharon na-eje weta ọkpa nwa sị na ọkpa Sharon na-ekwe ọkpa gị na-ekwe ihu gị na-ekwe nwa gị onwe ihe Sharon mee gị Sharon did anything to you okay m ga-ama na onye gasị na eji were ya laa avon niile ile Sharon gana ị ga-akwụ ya ụgwọ avon ahụ iji jekwuwe ya akwa anyị nọ na Facebook maka na ada ekwu eziokwu maka na eziokwu ekwu a n'eziokwu everybody will come against you achọghị m ikwukwu okwu onye ahụ ịma nwa nkwe mgbe ọ nọkọta na-akpọ m afọ mana ọ bụọ nke ada onye na-ekwudo okwu ya PJ ka nweta obere protect so try and protect it hapụ onye nke ana m ekwu okwu ya ịghọtago so bakpu ụlọ biko ịchọkwa ka anyị wee trela bịa buru gị ndị ụmụahịa
such that network give me you can't get in. I don't know what is going on.
Anyị nọkwa kịta anyị nwe akọrọ akara ibe okwu ọbụla pụta a ga-etinye advice abụ na ị ga-eze advice we are coming every day anọkọta ofu agadi ofu ibiri ata amapụta kobe ofu akụkọ eji use oge nna nwekwa yuzu na social media go ha ihe ọbụla m kwuru ọ dị ka mmapụtakwa echi nsi onye nke a jikwa yuzu John wee yuzukwa m onye nke a mgbe a na-eyuzu gị nwere brain ịma ihe nna biko nkwenye ama nna social media yuzu agadi nwaanyị biko ize high time m ga-akwụsị ihe a eji yuzukwe nwee kpadigo onye ịbụ ụmụaka ụfọdụ pụtakwasị na akwụ mmadụ ụgwọ bụ asaga gụma a na-akwụ ụgwọ yusupi mmadụ na-eyuzu gị
Okay.
Abi na-arịa anya ọ bụ ndị agadi nwaanyị ka a na-afọ bọdụ nọ ndị nwere
nke irutego dịka nkwu okwu enwe m taa ịbịa mụ ya oge akwa nọ na m onwe m na ama akpọwala m aha
kwasịrị bata ka ịra anya ka iseta ọtọ ya ka inye m
akwa nọ na mma m kwuwe na ọ ga-abịa defend wakwa onwe ya anụkwara m onwe m ịma normal talk a na-atọk mgbe ọ kpọrọ one day remember that 2 years ago or thereabouts mgbe anyị kwesịrị ịga European tour achọrọ ịkpọ anyị aga ka Xcon ga perform so mgbe m na-ekwu okwu m ekwute na anyị na-aga European tour na from there anyị ga-eme egwu there tour from Spain to Italy Germany like that na ama agbakachi na ọ chọrọ ịbịa na ọ chọrọ iso na ọ chọrọ ịgba Xcon egwu na ya na ụda ya esheke I'm this surprised, this shock, just like woman are causing this thing. na next thing was then I got my said the go get you swap. Okay, I'm said the go get you
Get hungry.
okay, so no na me said the go get you no na bikini. E di kwe mia every time man said the bikini le kwe ya chat. Ya wo chat le kwe.
Hakuna kugoya. Hakuna kugoya.
Pants no me. If you let you one ho dem na social media no black chom. You know, like kwa o start to picture am here no oge yi that day. So mo make them you na see mo na elekwe na ebo ga no. Na me say that ego ko book hotel na o ga di doing that thing. Okay, you know what
social media.
Okay, during that time na hotel I got available. The book earlier the better. Even the entertainment ha maybe approval and management I maybe approve my gaga the tour. Some shaman actually then those people when they get book hotel line. I'm on water. So now it's already on I got on my room. I can stay with my brother. Because I have everything. In my conscience, that's just now my baby put there. Yeah, cover that rubbish. I will mom I told my mom before. I call them on phone. Before. I'm a what test them or what choice them.
Okay, because okay. Come on, because partner tell one
Okay, Cham, can we hear the number?
Now, what that's a well, I'm chatting before. In the southern Hindi gay. The gay just a Jew zoom or walk a cow. They part to be kidding. It's easy. The gay shake no more. I become happen to my happen on the market. Every time I know about go to that over. And my I started photo. All you want to do today, all you want to do today, but it's very good. Guys, you get you bikini. Guys, I'm saying that I get go for bikini.
Imagine,
guys, store. Let's say photo. I put my video call. That's your call. Okay. Now I'll be your boyfriend. Okay. Every month for Rama before. Every month when I like him, yeah. Every month when I should come around. You're not going to be so now. Oh, now about your child. Oh, now about your child.
Can you make sure now Sharon now the fortunate okay, can you make sure so all because of this thing okay why did
how can we tell one day
fortunately man onya be ashi ka e ga mere la show ihe ahụ fortunate na Sharon ke
okay diamonds ihe butekwe that hotel wo ọ na-assume ka ebe ọ ga-anọ ya abịa ọ ga-abịa instead that these people wouldn't get provided hotel and everything that the rate had to be fixed that's go book ahead of time instead na ọ na ya ruo enwe hotel ga nọ na my room I can stay with my brother ihe kwuru the bad mgbe na start to America mgbe gị bụ send them bikini oge yi that's to give us send them I'm a black and I could be sure. After the
can cheap go to
Atogamoje to one for getting Ogeja for the shame. Obutalo, which is not my people put there. And I call be sure. I did my deal. That's it. I got Chorombia. Almost have that Chorombia. When I started some of those things, I could rubbish.
This thing is beginning to make sense to my brain.
€1 can you tell me saga na ka ojo to stay na ham go kwa ma ihe na na-emekwe mo aba ya pụta kwa
fortunate mana saga agbasa no gini ebe akuwe ni
na chọrọ ka bịa na hotel ya na ya nọ makwa na nwere
excuse me iji fu na onwe ihe dị between na onwe ihe dị n'ihe a gbasa saga agbasa for let's tell ourselves
bikini yo wa feje bikini yo ye jibe gbara m egwu
Okay, onwe ihe nche ejugodi oge. Let me ask a question because uche onye adị njọ.
Now it beginning to
Saga
make sense.
anyị nọ n'ime ya. Oge che ka nkwụ saga anyị nọ n'ime ihe dị omimi dị n'ime ya.
Ọ dị obi.
Nna
Onye
dị.
si ka akọwakwa, onye si ka akọwakwa ihe
Chekwa ka
mkpa bụ
m
Igbo.
kwuo,
Onye
ya ka
ọbụla
m
nọ
ji lecha
n'onwe
anya
ya.
si ana ama agbazi nke m right from the one checkmate nka m nọ. Ọkọkwa m mana edebere onwe m ihe m. Agwakwa m ha si ha ebe ahụ mfo m nọ na peji ahụ ebe m na-eme my doings ọgbasa hụ ihe ọbụla ọsọ m ebe ọgbasazi unu osu unu ncha niile ihe dị unu n'ime karị ha na-agbasa ga-ejewe na bekini ị na-agbara Fortunate egwu Fortunate biko ka edo ụdị egwu nke ọ bụzi amaghị agbara unu
Onye amadị ka esi eme ụkwụ ya onye ga-agbara gị egwu. Onye ama ka esi eme ụkwụ ya.
Fortunate unu aga-ewekwa m biko n'egwu nwa
Nne,
oge ka anyị je gbawa n'ụzọ egwu nke a ka anyị gaa
It
n'ụlọ
beginning to make sense to me.
amadị m nụ na-achọ ndị ga-agbara unu egwu
nna ewekwe mgbe achọghị akwara, ọkwa ya volunteer akwara.
na everyday ka akụkọ na-apụta nna Fortunate ịkwa
Chọọ
hot
ka agba
cake
egwu, egwu a na-agba ayọgbagatịla ọgụ ka ayọgbagada mma. Anụkwara m
onye a
onwe m.
na-agaghị asị na a na-agba saga
I nwere
akwa ekwu na saga so many things
oge
dị ya.
ewe one guy no spend.
Ugbu a ka ihe a
Okay,
na-make
ewe one
sense to
guy no
me.
spend. Ewe one guy no spend. Ndị a na-eme ihe entertainment. Ha chọrọ nnọọ. Ha chọrọ the guy na-akpọta artist wee na spend. So ya contact ha Isque ka I mee European tour. So from tour ahụ ya ekwucha na a ga-aga Italy, Sweden, Germany, Amamota, France. So I had interested, but here my guys, my schedule, I work on. So, mom, Chipria to Ama had interested.
This woman is
Yeah,
jealous.
that's
Jealous.
what I call the ship bam, that hog gob, yeah, Memuka. You know, more than I got this thing, she hey, my brother, she, no, they can do too much tamo. Yeah, man, yeah, my chum, I get this because the way him take it for. Other way, just like that normal friendship. So maybe I could take all those things. So also more as we take go. I conclude the trip. But then I took out with the gigawala story, gigawala away bikini. Not on my video call. Is in my call gademma. You know, the bikini now. Lama the bikini. Not only say the bikini. No, got things for those men. You put across the hotel.
Onye na-eri ashika nri.
Okay, you put across the hotel. Ebe ọ ga-anọkwa.
She can lie.
Ọ na-ajụ m ka ebe ọ ga-anọ. Okay, ndị a agụmebuku oge chere excuse agụmebuku hotel ọnwụ ọtago onwe m. O nwere management team. Mgbe that the management team I get here in the hotel everything paid for. You can stay in my hotel room. That's why I stay with my brother. It's no problem.
Excuse me, chegodi
I
ka m
told him before ka gwala m okwu.
Mother dị ka ama na-eji bikini gba egwu nnukwu ihe ada at his age.
Ọ dị ka nwa n'otu ịgba
Ọ na-akọkọrọ ọnụ.
Ya nụ ụta ka abụ nke aba mma ya akakwa m unu mma nke nkakwa afọ ka m na-akwụ nke ma nke m eme ha nchaso kenu no ihe ndị a niile enye dị ha n'ahụ unu ekwubeghị ihu nchọbe na social media si
I can make it sure that Dr. Fortunate na shut up with problem. I can make it sure that
why you na social media nwe what is eba ana achọ justice ana eme nka nwa justice na-achọ ọkwa justice na-achọ
except to all those things. As a guy, share good money. You know, it was much stuff for me and Abba. I like him.
At what age? Otu anwa gị ha ka ị na-eji bikini tere Fortunate ekekwa unu kpokoro na social media biko ihe akakwa m unu nwa biko
lekwe oge eji this one amara m watụla ọgụ ka ọ ga-eyi ka agbara m ọ bụrụ ebupụta afọ bịa m ihe ebupụta afọ bịa egwu ahụ ọ ga-agakwa ya lekwe ka
Fortunate igburu ike
unu mana ewere m koodu biko chee ka koodu ala ka m lekwe ka ya gwa m na-aga anụ ka ọ ga-ejiji ya yi ya kọva onwe ya ya bịazie ihe ịpụ ya bata na mmiri romance iki ụta sheke ya oge excuse
Ancestors na saga. Justice.
Okay, why you now going okay? On the girl with him not like.
I know.
And me like this. And me this
I
thing buy him.
know.
And me do this thing buy him. But I did not buy him. Oh, we him there. This dog. Oh, him there.
Mana ihe
You know baptism na.
ihe a niile aha idechasị na a na-achụ isi osise metizi akọs just ha kwa mụ na-eso omu na-achụ ihe nọ bụ just na-agarịrị onwe peji dị mma ebe dị mma nga eso omu nka ntụm ahụ n'ihe unu na-eme unu saga uru ma ihe unu gbara banụ I'm just on my own doing my thing ihe mmemme ndị a na-ekiri ihe ọ part of the saga now agwa m a lot of them is short ihe dị na saga dị too much supposed to be out nkata ga-ejuchi ga-ejichi at what age ị na-edi beki na agba egwu
Oge. Onye ụlọ baptizim na-eme na-agba egwu.
Ama kwamo.
Okay.
Nchadịkwa o.
Onye ka zụka ndị oge ama na onye na wine za wine. Onye alapụtakwara onwe ya onye abịagwagwa onye na-akpọ ọkụ ya.
Fortunate unu ga-ewekwa m ọkwa m agadi nwaanyị ọkwa na ga-ewu ngwa m biko ndị chọwanụ bekini
Ọ na-akọ ihe ọ na-akọ ọ ga-agwakwa ndị mmadụ ihe butekwara okwu ọ ga-agwa na n'ọnwa egwu ka aja gakwuru tampọ ọ chọrọ iso m
Fortunate onye enwe level o jiri gị nwee rank o chiji gị nwee rank
nwaanyị chọrọ iso nwoke gawa ebe ọ na-aga eme egwu ele ha mega expect ya bịa ihe na ọjọọ ọkwa ya achịkwa na ọ chọkwara iso aga ọkwa ya ma agụkwukwe na ọ ga-eyi ihe dị otu a anya asọ ma
ọkwa ya agba ọdị gwawa gị o
Can I say something? Fortunate man, you don't know onye na oge na-enwe problem. Kezi
Amana m na onye ọwụcha anga ya pen because such can weta ego.
Na okay. Ọkwa nwa na agwa na fortunate bụ your son.
Oh ya
Ikiri chere godi nne chere godi.
O ji son na-abata nwa m. Na-abata mana ebe ọ na-aga. Ị na-aga school ama m ebe.
So now
Okay. During that period, actually got big promotion. Oh my, sometimes in the street history of my corner. Later this thing, mama and baba gasaga that time, we could hear a conversation. Nah, I just go here next day gala shopping. We take a couple. Because they have finalized the bear. Guys can we take okay, gabe shopping for it each again when I land. Case no times to say come in a hotel. The hotel ahead of time. That's when we take okay book where I'm saying on that taking care of all those things. Come on, you stay in my own room. It will improve the bad. Last day, that's the car I give you my room. But you just follow that you get shopping for bikini. In a sense, 3 million gay. What you shake okay, okay, about top. Yes, and I got on about top a romance.
Yeah, I go on.
I'm about you have a call your own carol master. Wine.
I like you,
I like cream saga. I like this saga.
That was saga. I call but I can woman job. Ya dị ka agwa bịa ka nọ na hotel lenum leni ya na anọ na hotel ya dị ka m gawa travel ama
kegiro ya kebi ebido dị ahụ kebi
ịhụnanya
ya ọya ka ndị sịrị anya si PJ gara onwe gị ị nọ na-ekwucha ọchọchọ ị na-achọ ebe okwu dere ụgwọ akụdọ akpọpụta gị kịta ahụ ya aba n'ike awa na ya na ya biko ọkwa na-agwa ọtọ ụzọ atọ ụtọ ka o si atọ m a na-ekerechekwa unu m na-agbasa ga rapụkwa onye nọrọ onwe na ọ ga-akwara onwe gị
talking about PJ why PJ ji chọ ka ị bịa lụwa ya
oge chere go apụgoda akọ PJ
why PJ ji chọ ka ị bịa lụwa ya
oge chere ego di
no chere ego di Fortunate
nna ahụ na ọkọgwụ ya na-ekwu oge rapụ PJ ka anyị kwuo n'okwu oge biko
onye ya padi
Fortunate na-enye PJ kwu tata ifu na PJ na-ekwu okwu na-emeki room for ka ọ nọkwara onwe ya bet nwaanyị ni na-agba mama ya na-akọsa akụkọ nwaanyị nke a na-akwa ihe mmadụ gwa gị one ga gwa ya two mmadụ gwa PJ na-agwa gị na onwere naanị ya ji okwu PJ gwa gị na onwere onye ọ ga-akọ ọnụ PJ gwa gị onye chọọ ya kọọ ya oge rapụ
oge ị kwesịrị ide ekwu na justice for amụ fortunate amụma chọrọ ị ga-adọ na Europe ọ chọrọ iji ava onye kwesịrị na voice ma ya ji ihe onye kwesịrị ekwu justice for bikini amụ fortunate a na-etụtụrụ amụma ree ya gwogwo ngwọ aga m ime European tour ebulazi esifere ka anọ na hotel enụmụ gasị bụ anọ na hotel room ị ga-akọ the way it happened.
Ima, do you know why? Injury matter that this woman is bloody jealous. Unya can do anything to achieve anything. Mbobram no barakona na port. I did not believe it. Mbobram na port na teacher TNT. I was thinking, Ima, who could pick name making sense?
Ofokunga oge ba ko ya for the
na port. No we found can meet him John Luca. Na Chineke tezuru ya na ya put ọrịa among them na ekwa agbapụna. I was thinking it was a joke.
Okay, justice for amụ ga anọ ya na-akọ ihe ọzọ.
I was thinking it was a joke. Okay, etiri m na Port Harcourt tirie na ịma na ndị mụ na fapụrụ tie na if I lie against this woman they can go see tomorrow. Na ya tiri na ya de lucky na ya puta so mba John look at me tiri ya na the hotel ya eche na ọgwụ ka etie ka alapụ the man na bịala ọgwụ ya.
Okay,
you see this woman.
Okay,
see this woman.
Okay,
I don't want to stand the one because I mean you na-eme na ọ na-agba nne ọcha na atọ Coach, but I go to the have a point to make.
Usama apụwa na anyị ma nkwu so much na. Ndị dị ahịa Oga Piroski biko name justice for amom actually ji bikini dọlie na Europe. Ọ ya wụdị saga ka ga-agba na ka unu nye amụma justice biko nụ unu ahụ na.
ebe a gbachọziri abụ gị mana fim agwụgwọ
ọ tụkwara agwa ya na akọ na-akọ
ọkwa wọntịn ka m ga-eji laga dị saga ọ na-arịọ ọmụmụ a na-eji wọntịn
ọwụghị niile ka a na-akọ ka m mechigodo ọnụ ka m lakpuru.
Man of God, I'm trying to add you, but it's not allowing me. I don't know what's going on.
Man of God. Man of God.
Imagine man of God, Ugo. Namu man of man of God, did you wait? Man of Ugo. Man of God, Poland go before. Anime who could drink away. Man of Ugo.
So you're not.
Man of God with a personal vendetta with the PJ.
Okay. Amanekuna na I may appreciate Digi may appreciate story ego. So that monetizes the saga. So
Ojonya may appreciate I watch here. Ojonya may appreciate.
I'm there because somebody go na okporo ma ha m ga school nwete ebe ahụ. Ya sị na ihe niile o mere gị no only twice ka Digi kpọrọ gị. Na Digi aship one day said that I go ma appreciate. No go monetize the saga. First of all, the woman drama baram saga. Ama buzo bam saga na akpari family.
Ama na agbasaga nwa ma agbasaga kwa nuna na na-ekwu saga.
Oya buzo na akpari
na asị saga dị ka
from anywhere. Okay, were
dị ya na agba.
Ama from anywhere. Oya buzo na akpari ebuche family. So ya beze na mikwa ka ọkụ gbarawa hakwa ndị opponents m. Ya bịa hakwa na so anything egotere m gị TV na this saga ewe ka igotere m ewe ihe mere m
Ima anọkwala m onwe m na this woman ama
so saga azị onye pụta na akpara mmadụ nye ego so anyị nwazi na-enwetaghị ego awụzi ndị iberibe nke pụta nọ na social media onye ọbụla lakpụrụ unu ga-arụ ọrụ and ya na-edi bọnkụ si na ihe US mgbe ọ na-complain on a very good date Peter said, to God who made me. Me no gay. Me that conversation with Alma. And I go be America. I give even more volunteer. They're not at my place. I'm in with Tono.
Yes.
Make because they're only Nilo now. They go like an aqua na hero. You said, no, I'm when I US. Or gonna put you in that hours. I'm gonna go them now my nanny, also my nanny. So that was the and I said I come on 4,000 in Kitty. I would tell you.
So idiot, that depend. Idiot, that zero brain, now depend on us. She depends on us.
Mother ageless saga because she didn't want to.
She depends on us.
Saga for mother in Ibiaka. Highest for that way fortunate. But the same fortunate town. Each other go bikini. He bikini and making Mba. You bikini, the other shit make. Come near Leno Corgan. Kawiji bikini again. Nah, Ofokunga Wama, Ama get back for the rest of our life. Yale Kagwa before can educate a bit, because more no jaw. Okay, I had a man a saga, no more Saga no win.
How should I get focused on I got you now, Tom? Show naturally.
Or up here on a ticket. Yajupa because
yeah, man, I'm not going to that was a good preset.
When they got handle your work, if I handle one, I die.
The condition is okay. Condition get this some mad. I'm make in social media. That was the saga about 10 minute threats. Because once of violate that part, I'm of the law.
Saga do minimum or so.
On our saga, a man dealer, I got a lot of more.
Look at how unfortunate, though. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Everyone would think just go very for the unfortunate.
Okay, just excuse. Obra Abamime, a beno. So now we are that time now like saga now, you know, I try to be involved. So mom here to get that place, the thing I toy. Mom na give me I want to little fracas. Mom what so next thing we have after no got chime analyze now, put that show that was the player. So just not chime like a neutral talk, not direct
Okay, Ama and PJ are threatening you with your big supporters and big donors that they will expose them. Are you serious? Wait. Be a PJ. They are Pugodinu. Come here, PJ.
Okay, Chalon verify. Yeah, no. Oh, God, he said, man, something.
Let me listen to him and I will verify. Oh, Bob page. No. Let me listen.
But you went on now.
Let me listen. Let me listen. Kuchere. Naturally. No pay threats. Hey, okay, I'm Padalam na this. Hey, PJ. Ebuma. Can you see game again? Ni game expose again. Try to catch me with Baha Batara.
Sorry for the time. This woman is it?
Aman, yes, someone.
Because I came out. And don't call him and there's nothing in there. I have taken enough insults. Okay. Remember, you know what that is.
Body? Do I see anybody? No. Why was I dragged? Because I came out. No problem. I don't need the people who were poor. People. The girl is coming. Hold on, let me air. I go straight to the point. I don't know if I can match or we could that watch it. Come here again. You know yourself. Don't call me. Don't call him and don't.
Fascinating important to go again.
What I want to anger this now. Okay. I'll talk about this. I didn't want to. Here, I'm a terrorist. I'm a terrorist. Whosoever. I'm a terrorist. You need it. I'm a terrorist. Oh my God. I'm a scandal. Oh, you have a powerful platform here. I'm a calm down. A platform. Can you calm down?
So now we're a powerful platform.
Okay, we're going to be able to allow me to play my game. That's not game. We are here in the game.
So yeah, go to ship balance around. Okay, this us around na fortunate. So all because of it, we are fortunate. Hey, go get change like na this one. Hey, go get na this one.
Yes, I'm showing emotion. That's why they're taking advantage. Yes, no problem. Don't worry, reason.
So me you PJ
sacrifice. Like that. My name is being here. That's what anything may not happen on the air, but it's a private thing. It's private thing the eye does not see. Okay?
I'm not DPP.
And I'm looking at details. If now vibrate, people will not know where you're coming from. People will not get point.
PJ, you they vibrate too. You they scream, you they vibrate. What are you talking about? You they scream, you don't talk. Oh, that's the same way you they do. So now they cap.
Well, you did what today. I see that he continue addressing me. I don't want that.
Stay wherever you want to stay in the alliance. I don't give a fuck. Now you be my target.
So you don't tell me where to go, where to stay or go.
Story.
No.
Who give a fuck?
Stable and one place for 7 fucking good years without no moving. And whenever anyone is a husband, no man,
which husband? Which husband?
It is done. It is a done thing for me.
Which husband?
Nobody can predict me. You know that I was on my own. I didn't sit with a show. I don't like it. If preaching.
Everything. You have to bring everything.
I kept my cool. No, woman, make what I know. Oh, man, so we will not say, when I would name back. Grandma say, who make it like I preach. And that is what I've been doing. Oh, what can say happen? But on a program, I actually up between the 2 years. When you know, be a booming job. But how they are that over Bopro, or ever for more than that, I have been. Mama, before you enter that place, people will see me. Actually, get Mama, speak up. Mama,
discuss. I not tell you.
It's going to tell us account with Amma.
They're moving on. Thank God, though.
Because I respect him as a man. And don't want to but what is serious now? Pick it from him. Don't quote that. Please. I told me, no problem. All your platform, remember they say don't call my name after I'm on our side already, no problem. But that's me, please do not address me like that by telling me Sheba Hopota. No, you don't tell a grown ass woman, my Sheba Napota. When them came on for 7 years, get him a Aboriamo, both secret and public. So you didn't get anywhere. You didn't get anywhere. To say, you know what, I'm done. After you not playing around, no, I can still stand on my page and the bomb going on and feeling that nwe proof na Igbo ta nwe proof na ejiri ọnụ nkwuru okwu enidi m ime ike anybody mmadụ atụkwara m si ebe ahụ pụta is an insult to me onye m gara dị ya ịgwa ya then from there amaghị ya sị m ndị ahụ mkpọrọ m kpọọ m na m jiri osi nwa nwee nke a ọfọ ihe ọma nsị ya ọ destroy nne m ka ha mere m na ihe m taziri ya masị ya ihe wọta ndị niile amamụ ndị ha ahụ ya sị m bụkọsọ nwere ndị batara asaga na mgbe a na-agbasa ga ha jọf in ma bịazie ka ntị ka m gata a little bit far nsị ya na achọrọ m ịga a little bit far what is the far that amamụ ndị niile from A to Z amamụ ha na niile oge echi ma nwee 2016 na Canada masị ya ka m leto small history okwu ya m ụlọ ahụ ndị ọzọ hapụ ya sị ya mụ hichire gị history amamụ ndị niile na ndị ha awụ so if I was insulted today I insulted because I came in because I'm a oge before the saga and I came in when I said I didn't name only amagoro for 1 year give the cast name no mbata so that means I'm gonna get you before the saga so I just know that I'm not in the saga and I go get gone I made a job back so Masia now this is how I make up do you know that the girl so person aputa guna na Bob Saga say na Bob Saga nto no get me so in there then now again Bitcoin again till 2000 akino support to ya the suburb me na one ha na ekwu since 2017 now till now the woman live in Ireland imagine me na the same country the same street the same province as in phone that motor wire around my here for fucking how many years since 2017 till now. Now, I owed a lot of people apology. And I would do it at my own time. I'm a Monday drag remote to the extent that. Because they went too far without me doing them anything. Number one, the king of the saga himself, our king, do you get? But have branches. Me not know anything in common. Just no book of some name to the causer. I know we don't know like him. So anyway, meaning I'm a money how I am not in enemy with any of them. I stand here to say me na hand so finish. Me na hand so now me na put out my address, they put address here my family and my loved ones, my cousins, my nephews now watch here and following have said it. My business partners, people that have loved me, people that have been with in a club, high and low. I owe the public apology. I owe my kingdom public apology for not listening to them. Your child apology, I will extend it further because you know my money how now you don't call her. But I was thinking it's a saga talk. I don't know where that one is coming from, but little do I know that it is come out from the love of the love of the camp. Now, why should I fight them? Why should I fight the person who from that? You understand? Even for 2 years, all these things before. I know that. I put your brother to say, never, one or two things. Put on this group. Give us some yes. Me, but you know, but you didn't want to say it to avoid problem. Now, at least I'm a now, but you don't know, I just but we will not talk because anything we go scatter our this thing, we will close it. Yes, indeed, yes. And all try to information. When I'm about this thing, but in the melody, mama, if I hear the record you listen, you feel betrayed. When they do what you say, give me you see, okay, metal like and walking. Which I for when I say na only love they betray you. And the people are open to tell me anything. Yes. Anyway, Mama no, it is we betray, but eventually calm down. Calm down.
You're not sharing that about me.
I know.
You're not sharing about me. Hey. Okay, I don't suffer.
Sunday and yesterday, which is
And don't suffer.
Yes, that means I don't realize in a room,
In Ania.
even now from a lot of things. Even kilo where was
In Ania. I'm going to hear we had this talk for a long time ago.
Yes, I went in details. You say I'm a caller like this before this number. Master from me Korogi in details. Here, Mama, we been no way me hard. Okay.
PJ, he can bring that voice note too. Because before people will start believing you, you got to bring evidence. He can bring that voice note to able get you born again. Able also get you put on a sort he can bring you. I was intelligent fool. I was you tiki. I was your other people. Also get you. Also get you put ya. Oh, I show you woman. Oh my hageji. Oh get gidaka. I show you woman. My hash on each cherry boburia. I show you woman. Oh my hand get gidaka. I see cherry hobo buria. Ige bupute where ogechi baragi or what people that is woman. You have to bring that tape. I was him ex-husband. I was him intelligent criminal and didn't do to ya. I was him in Kechibenko that was proposing it, tagging your pregnancy fake pregnant. I was him okay, escrim shot rogi, say everything and attack here, no fake pregnancy. PJ, he get put that thing. I want many platforms that created page, no screenshot, video, me celebrate security me. How more was the person? I show you woman. I'm a haggy be the kasha who chichere, Boburia. All the mua, Buru, it's the tape. Igebuputeyao. And that's from Kimena, all these people apology. So, business gi, bito. So, okay, business is not working. Oh, okay, business that is not working. Was short through pregnancy. Mark with original pregnancy will take a fake park. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This okay. Now, people now she happy. Hama no gi wa wu obre mini rijiro koshishi. Eh? So, I was okay with the person that be spreading that the what we made. Before this, I forgot more. Intelligent food has been hammering it. Intelligent criminal and the Oriamu has been hammering it. Need next thing again, I can make a guy go kill a one on one again. Ya will get to go short up. Pija Hashima Mato Hamabuki. Pija Hashima Alebu family Kubuki. Did you hear what I said? The same Ogechi that brought out picture, video that you sent to her. Let's celebrate her filmmaking. The screenshot deeds. Go to their platform. Mark Yana. Design your pregnancy. We take you fake. We take you real. Mocked you all these years. I defended you. Also, the same Ogechi question on PJ, you shall never see peace. Muana what you with my full chase. Muana what you with my full chase. Apagi. All the Muana intelligent criminal already done that started before. Get people pretend one name. Get the whole world. No one can so. No one can gaso. Oh, who's the Muana? PJ get release here. You got to release. Actually, I want see. Actually, push you no dear. Go no got here. Go okay. Because of with me. In Monday Bitcoin Monday. Excuse me. When me get him Bitcoin me Bitconnects. Me brinko. Imane go them till na Bitconnects. Imane go empty and a bit connect. Can be she put on away, but I lose the can. Ibane go and put them to the bit connect. Fuck you, fuck my bit connect, fuck all of you. Before pregnancy itself, I put the first day we put the video again celebrating. They have started tagging you. Nigga kute one. Nigga to lime. Also gechi. Nigga play that tape, PJ. You got to play that tape so you have peace. And I want you to come out after your apology. Come and apologize. After your apology, man, because I'm waiting for it. In my apology, no more my apology. But in my image, as about to get can be woogie, can be a very yeki. But Muma Puruneso, if you don't break it out, Mother people, the story you don't want to hear. Akwage, PJ, you know how dangerous you are. So both of you has been discussing me when I was busy. Now console looking what you are passing through. When you are busy now console looking what you were passing through. I will get you. May the good Lord woman again if a George in a death chineke. May that about miri in a George again. But a story but again Namu Koroki who video again I talk you get and 1 week he got to that video. I was the one put that on my page. Proof it is and the Ramune celebrate again. I hear screenshot or describe what real female and fake female. Go and listen and I got song my book. A bit of man, but I get to the woman before the guy one. Yawo get chipuria. Yawo get chipuria. PJ. Ega akwena this question ega atrom ki spend their 12 years there. Atrom ki spend their 12 akwa this city boribo an na gana put again. This is 0 minus brain. Ona put again. This empty brain. This is boribo. Ega we put that voice not depend no body. You have to bring it out. So I have been right all this while that the both of you have been discussing about me. You got to come out and tell people here we can give them. So all this while that this is not just so again I'm an eku dinner 0 brain in eku for months. For even in the big nights, Ghana Korea about Kurumeku, I never been wrong. Because actually anya no muka okay, it's amazing how well fits. Of the mua. I want an intelligent criminal. I want a mori to Rio. Putara. Now, but people know. Now, the next thing I got so much. I want okay. I become okay. Oh. Hello, sister. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Onye agbara na PJ na watch go shige kwa ama. Na ge kwa ama ka oji Bible ya du ishiju ya. Mmadu ole ka okporo na phone gwa na PJ agadi nwanye zoro nwa. Ihuna the truth must surely come out. Oshige kwa ama na ga puta bia kwuo ya. No so one of those ama gwara na zoro nwa. PJ, as I drop my oil, as I drop this oil will judge you. This oil may increase your waist. Like this one is not opening. As I drop this oil, so I was drink time and I want a phone. Chineke, God of Nazareth. I heard the person get to one man go with a Bible and you do shaking how many people go for awareness or why can't I open this thing? Hey! Asimua! Mama that stood by you! Keep it on. PJ ka each channel for la gola. Hey, Sama, you have been the one spreading the news. The same you. Baram keka get the one need the PJ. Now get in a kissing futilani. Near defend the PJ. Why am I defending PJ? Oh, the same I'm not from keep Bible, okay? I've been a Bible at go for Bible, keep your go for shit. How many people keep on? Why am the same PJs or what? Hey, Chineko Gechi, why am I always carry people's problem? Why? Why? Even though every the other one, but don't worry. Why? Because what Boromo, when you are Boromo Nashia. Now, so one of the people, Eborona Corona PJs or now give what PJ, how many people you called? What Bahanes or you even that day, Diana by a war, you made it open the PJ na Shioshibota. Now, oh, Jesus, let the God to judge me and do now. Ama, your pain will. This your poverty. Each and a more your name with a hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You that is the brain behind pain. This I get wine. Ibari name Yanishi. PJ get play voice. He get play that voice. Same with Bolande or the same thing in Aguamen Bolande or Waha. Yawuro Gechi. Yawurumo. The same you, Mbetigina, this husband again, I want a war. Come up with an Equina, Sheshibutashi. Can you help me and you defend the game? Can you help this thing I need defend the game? Now, one years old, which kissy could then now we could not get this man in a me. So you have been calling people. You have been calling people, telling them. You have been calling people, telling them that PJs are on my busy Pasamianishi. Where a Bible ki Fay Nishiki. Come and swear. Then when only big phone, when a PJ Waga the one, he may go to that to tell one. Nina can always you. May the God to judge all of you. May God to judge all of you. I know that you lie. I'm a new way she would take wash. I'm a nena shash. But make up your mind. Whatever Bible give with this son, come and swear. May when I'm they were a PJ Gronwa. I won't go beating any issue, right? PJ, every charity and issue, I got my story that's in Jeremiah give very well. I'm gonna this devil and a brainless person and get and call it down. Nay, I get chat. I've been a platform here. Now, I'm going to analyzer. Analyzer. Hey. So, the truth is that you have been the one. You have been the one calling people. You also called me. Shibo can make defend this like PJ had to one year so kuna PJ na fiafe. You've been the one. I said you're going on a share. She's not this time for you to scatter her online. So now, always here mukuna poor, bariri tekereri. Onyashi no gap beku ya negwara ya hum. You called many people and the one ania. Because other people yes confirm on negwara here. Come and swear with your God your life. Okay, chikicho. Pijo mwakine because akanishi. Mwakine because akanishi. Oh. Hey, just because I'm something I refuse to give. I don't support friends, I don't do this, I don't do that. And also, Joama Morida Moriamuna, she and a Bible now do Shapa when it's Sabbath. When I'm going to discuss with Orida Noriamo, Naente show Nikoro go. Naente show Nikoro that child they go Nisu Yesu. Niha Obanjane could always you could have supported for. I shut your mouth then for her not to come and disgrace you. Now we'll get you now. When I listen on Padron, I get woman in this life. When this okay to stop, we scatter our lives. Amen. One kitty may be here. One kitty may be here. On a maybe a lot of things. I'm a part of the reason I'm a Jashim. I can make a show. I get bagara between Sharon and Dr. Fortunate. I'm not a way interested with Dr. Fortunate, you know. I'm a part of there is no jury. There is no job. One more the time. I got scattered. Fortunate na Sharon. I'm not jealousy. I'm not jealousy. I never knew that the position of Sharon, okay, Sharon. I never knew. The same Jinjin in a very getting get bear Jinjin, Bechayani whom get put again pretend there. Jinimana Pagasa. The same you. Ne berry Jinjin Kangasuga, Asugi, get put you pretend like, you know, oh, Jesus. Hell, Jesus. Hey. This woman, see this woman. You see this woman, okay, making shit like this. Gana pretend to way any gear. Echiabia Cocola and Aeropanro. Inchukura, only our town run out to woman and shit. This woman really okay. And I'm not our fortunate. Oh, dear, my name is Jigawa. Those things I started playing Ejimia for years. I never wanted to play it. Come Chigiden Nora can get Sharon for years. Oh, this idiot. Oh, this Samusu Puteremu Nam Pute those things. Because all your may refuse to give it to her. She pleaded and I refuse to. The same way me Sharon with me on Anam Nke Nora. I refuse. That's the same way so here with the reason she come on like KG Mason Okwana Gichen Abrami save Mwagi because of I want to do everything to make sure to tell you that I have forgive, that you everything I have letting go. So position of Sharon okay inside fortunate life. Now this here on a saga deeper than you think. Oh, here on a saga, the more minimious than you think. Now, fortunately, the thing begin to make sense to me. Hey, hello, man of God, I'm on a network. Will get it back. They call me back. Hey, oh my goodness. Oh, thank you. Hey, Ashi Obi Wawa. Hey, I'm new and fortunate, sexy, you find Jesus. That I never knew that this thing is. I thought it's just a saga talk. Hey, man of God, carry go.
Hey, I don't have a comfortable place. I ain't very poor and DJ go. Every details and every evidence about it. So here they say about how the evidence.
No, man of God. Who they know go dey am okay. Then I'm discuss only here can discuss be ya.
Several times I went one cool man answer now.
Akwa ma gbara gị na PJ go dey nwa ego.
Of course.
Thank you. Oh, man, go. She has been calling people, telling them that they are one general who is shoku. Now, very because of your issue. They go to
I'm going to trust is a real gospel. Man, I'm hearing now the details. I don't want to demand Allah. All those things in Asian, I'm going to do myself. Wait, those are very good. What is the guy need? Not the guy for you. Very confused. We know everything. I don't want to know.
No problem.
I'll call you.
Thank you. PJ, and I'm a drop oil on your head, and I'm increasing. I'm expressing this oil is blessed. People go na PJ go and you pretend that's a walk. May this oil judge you and I. For almost everybody on a saga. Now put a picture aga mulim man or may this all you generally need to Italy and increase your frustration. May this oil increase your BP. PJ, I pity you. If we cannot get you, I'm to go open as I'm a bridger to you. I'm a shock to you. May this oil judge him, okay? May this oil judge him on armor. Oh my judgment. Judgment. The oil jack no good at when much time I don't go to anywhere. I'm not gonna keep on a phone. Confirm what you even called me. Master, enough. Happy good year. Can save China on our platform? You called several people to tell them oh hey let this woman go to her, she will finish you. Am you that people get Alice involved in this. She could also confirm, but I don't want to get her involved. You make me listen to me because I want to finish hearing you. No more be here. Hey!
This afternoon.
Because please, I told him to in details in that story. One of that story, I told him to in details. I told him every single way I want you to come and tell story between you and the Emeka. More than with my full chase. I told him to in details. He got Emeka, got call Patrick, he got Patrick, he got call John. You got to call her. He got so many stories. Come and tell the story. Go get you come and tell it. Come on, get it. Then I coach my blood to my own. Okay, she gonna know you. He got caught there. I'm a coco, my America, come and Italy. I like him. You got to tell this story. Look with them, he listen.
If two things. So there's no point. Yes, the Messiah is saying something to trigger something. No, here we have to go already. Here we have what the things we go for a while. I don't care. Hold on. I decided to keep it. But for me to just see the happening, drama again, I'm asking yes. Now he need not new in a group even more. He could not be.
So this group, Wama call give him in a group. Or what they need to record. You see how the truth is coming out. He had corona group, people are. So it's finally that all Wama be back this statement in a group. Hey, Jesus of Nazareth. So finally, Wama prule mbok gitisa. Yeah, bitokowa. So Owama Brakorogi Ibuga people are walking, get the record. So Owama me perono na korogi is so called thing even in a group, not any other person. Sister Choma, God bless you. I fear who not fear this woman and Amagampon. But PJ Ogiga Jishigebu, I don't give a fuck. Everything goes. Everything goes. So Owama PJ and PJ could not confirm it. They put an on the record. PJ, hey, oh my God. So I'm a eager with a phone, call everybody. Bahana PJs or that was no more.